Guys, John at Cowtown here today with a 2008 Winchester Star stock combo. Walk around and show you this trailer. It's a nice trailer. Power jack. 2-horse. Got your horse ties outside. It's got a ramp on it. Swing gate in the back. It is rubber lined. Floor looks good. Slam latch divider here. It's very well taken care of. Tires look real good on it. Full escape door. Got horse ties on this side as well. Flip down step for the tack. Got 3 saddle racks inside. Brush tray. Bridle hooks up top. Got your vent above. If you're looking for a really nice using trailer, this one's been through the shop. It's been checked over. It is ready to rock and roll. 2008 Winchester Star. Give us a call. 573-885-6300 or Cowtown USA Inc.com. Thanks, guys.